In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge tags in Mailchimp. Merge tags are a simple way to personalize your emails without rewriting them for each person. Instead of greeting everyone with a generic "hello there," you can automatically pull in each contact's first name, making your messages feel friendlier and more relevant. Let's walk through exactly how to do that in a clean, reliable way. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and signing in as you normally would. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the main navigation and choose Campaigns. This is where all of your campaigns live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. Find the campaign where you want to add personalization and open it. If you're not sure which one to pick, look for the draft you're actively working on or the upcoming send you want to improve. Inside the campaign, select Edit Design to open the email builder. This takes you directly to your content so you can make changes to the text and layout. Click into the content block where you want the subscriber's name to appear. Most people add it to the greeting at the very top, but you can place it anywhere it makes sense. Subject line, body, or even a callout. For now, let's focus on the greeting. Highlight the placeholder word you're currently using for your audience, like customer or subscriber. The idea here is to replace that generic label with a dynamic value that updates for each recipient. With that text selected, look for the Merge Tags option in the Editor toolbar. This menu is where Mailchimp stores the personalization fields tied to your audience, such as first name, last name, and email address. From the Merge Tags list, choose first name. As soon as you select it, Mailchimp inserts the corresponding placeholder into your text. Don't worry if the editor shows special characters or a code-like snippet. That's just the tag. When your campaign is sent, Mailchimp automatically swaps that tag for the actual first name from your audience data, so each recipient sees their own name. Take a moment to tidy up the text around the tag. Add a comma if you're using a greeting like hi or hello, and make sure the spacing and capitalization look natural. A polished "Hi Sarah" reads much better than a clunky "Hi Sarah" or "Hi E." Good formatting goes a long way toward making personalization feel authentic and intentional. It's also important to consider what happens if a contact doesn't have a first name on file. Depending on your audience settings, Mailchimp may use a default value or leave the space blank. To keep your message readable in all cases, write your sentence so it still makes sense even without a name. For example, "Hi there," or a friendly greeting line above the name tag can act as a graceful fallback. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save and Exit. This confirms your changes and takes you back out of the editor. Saving at this point is essential, so your merge tag works exactly as you set it up in the final email. With the design saved, you can proceed to send your email as you normally would. When it goes out, each recipient will see their own first name in place of the tag you inserted, giving your message a more personal touch without any extra manual work. To recap, you opened Mailchimp, went to Campaigns, selected your campaign, edited the design, highlighted the placeholder word, inserted the first name merge tag, saved your changes, and you're ready to send. That's all it takes to add smart personalization to your emails. Keep your audience data clean, write your greetings so they read well with or without a name, and you'll create a more engaging experience for every subscriber.